channel Learn with Fun. Myself Sumaya Berim. Before I start with today's video, the ones who have still not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to Learn with Fun and also click on the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I post the video. So, what are we waiting for? Let's zoom into today's video. Students, in my last few videos related to circle, I have derived two important formulas related to circle. The first one was length of the arc, that was theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, and the second important formula was finding out area of a sector, which was theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now let's observe the same thing on this simple teaching aid. When I am saying area of this sector, definitely it's going to affect the length of the arc. And when I say length of the arc, there will be some relation between area of a sector. So with this, we are understanding that there is a relation between area of a sector, that is space this sector is occupying, and the length of the arc that this sector is covering. So in today's video, we are going to find out the relation between length of the arc and area of a sector in a very simple and interesting way. Students, as you can observe here, area of a sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, and length of the arc is equals to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now let us focus on this second formula, that is length of the arc of a circle, that is L is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. If I just want theta upon 360 on one side, 2 pi r will shift below L. So from this we will get a new set, that is theta upon 360 is equals to L upon 2 pi r. So theta upon 360 is equals to L upon 2 pi r. Now this value of theta upon 360, that is L upon 2 pi r, I can derive it, or I can put it in the first equation, that was area of a sector. So in area of a sector, which is theta upon 360 into pi r square, instead of writing theta upon 360, I'm going to replace this ratio by L upon 2 pi r. So we get a new set of formula, that is area of a sector A is equals to L upon 2 pi r into pi r square. So definitely here there are some common which I can cut in the numerator and denominator. I can cut pi from numerator and denominator, and I can cut one radius from the numerator and radius from the denominator. Thus, what are we left with? We are left with the formula area of a sector is equals to L into R upon 2. In simplified form, area of a sector is equals to length of the arc into radius upon 2. So from this, if length of the arc is given, you can find out area of a sector, and if area of a sector is given, you can find out the length of the arc very easily using this formula. I repeat the formula, students. Area of a sector is equals to length of the arc into radius upon 2. If you want, you can shift it. One more formula will be derived from it. That is, if you want to find out the length of the arc, it will be area of a sector into 2 upon r. So it's your way of learning it. Using this formula, they mostly ask this question for 1 mark or 2 mark. When maybe L is given, R is given, they are asking you to find out area of a sector. Or in a second way, maybe area of a sector is given and radius is given, and they are asking to find out length of the arc. So do remember this formula, that is the relation between length of the arc and area of a sector. I hope this information was helpful for you all. See you all in the next interesting and innovative videos like this. Thank you.